Hello guys, today I will show you how to wire. Follow me. If you've seen one off these, I will show you how to wire. First constant current, then when having constant current, wire it to the repeater and put both of them to 0.1. Let's move on the next one. Now wire the message gate to the block you wanna. When you say the word you put in, it will work. Let's move on the next one. So when the video started, it was night, but when it's day, the lights isn't turned on. Let's move on the next one. This dedicates when you move next to it. Well, that's all for today, guys. Bye, and make sure to subscribe for more.